François Barati. I'm a French national living in Taiwan, and I'm working with Georgine Technologies, where I occupy the spot of VP for international business. So Georgine Technology is a 22 years company, which has been investing in the augmented reality during the last 6 years. And this was not an easy journey. As you know, augmented reality is full of pitfalls. But now we believe that the technology has been maturing a lot during the last few years. And we think that now is the time to have products which are really making sense for the user. So I'm going to introduce you today a new family of smart glasses, which are called J-Reality, augmented reality glasses. So these products, I'm going to look first at their hardware features. So number one, these products are using very advanced near-eye display optical engine. These optical engines are rather sophisticated. They allow, first, of course, to have a full 3D, three-dimension vision. Number two, they have the capability to provide to each eye full HD definition, so 1080p on each eye. And third, the size of the display that the user have access to is equivalent to a 120-inch display. So this is big. 120-inch display at a distance of about 5 meters. So this is a very high quality picture, much more than what you can get normally from your computer screen or from your TV screen. The second thing I want to say about the hardware of the J-Reality products is that in Georgine we are very committed to modularity. In fact, modularity is in the genes of the company because we have been at the foundation of the company, we are very much involved into what we call SIP and SOM, so system in package and system in module. So that allows to make very quick derivatives of existing smart glasses. And so our key point is that we would like to work with different OEMs, whether they are interested, to design products which are derivative of this one and which are fitting as best as possible the requirements of each market. Because we do not believe that one size fits all is something which is going to work for smart glasses. Each different type of business, each different type of environment is requiring different kinds of ergonomics, different kind of sensing, and so it's very important to have the capability to design products which are perfectly suitable for one particular type of application. One thing also I want to mention is that on the computing level, we have what we call a platform, which is called the XR Edge Computing Platform. It's a very small product. We can fit either in the pocket or even in some design which can fit inside the frame. These XR Edge Computing Platform are in fact edge computers based on a family of CPU from Qualcomm, who is the leader in this type of products of CPU for low power application. So they are based on this XR line of CPU, which has been specifically designed by Qualcomm for being optimum for augmented reality applications. Okay, so that's for the hardware standpoint. Okay, now I'm going to look now at the market segments for which we believe that J-Reality are products well adapted. So we see three big clusters. One of them is manufacturing. Why? Because manufacturing, one of the key features of the smart glass is hands-free, okay? You can use your hand, you have your display in front of you, so you can use your hands. You don't need to hold the tablet or the phone or whatever. So manufacturing is one of the key areas where smart glasses can be very useful. The second area, for exactly the same reasons, is healthcare. I mean, many healthcare workers, for obvious reasons, need their hands free. I mean, surgeon, nurse, and so on. They need to keep hands free. So healthcare also is a very important segment for geo-reality. And the last one, which is pretty obvious, is entertainment and education. But the requirements, as I mentioned before, for these three different clusters can be very different in terms of functionality, in terms of ergonomics, in terms of sensors which are required, in terms of camera, and so on and so forth. Okay? Now, the drawback of being hands-free is that you do not have a keyboard and a mouse to communicate between you and your smart glass. So, in order to overcome this problem, Georgine has been investing a lot in multiple technology which allow for the user to work with the smart glass. And so these technologies are, one of them is voice recognition, which is pretty obvious, gesture recognition, and another one which is very promising, which is emerging, is eyeball tracking. Okay, so you can command your smart glass just by what you are looking at. So this is something very exciting. So the last thing on which I wanted to touch base is about smart space. So first, I'm going to tell you what is a smart space. A smart space is an environment which is equipped with sensors that let it understand what people inside, whether they are users or visitors in this space. So let it understand what these people are doing and how this smart space can communicate effectively with those people. Normally, ideally, will be also equipped with smart glasses, and not only with these people, but also with people outside. So, for example, people outside will be security officers, or will be management, and so on and so forth. So, smart space is a very important concept, especially in the area of manufacturing. We believe that now, in the coming future, more and more factories will be converted into smart spaces. And all of that will be to improve safety, to improve productivity, to improve security, and this is very, very promising area. So for a smart space to work effectively, you need to have the people inside wearing smart glasses, communicating with the smart glass, are communicating with the smart space, giving information from the user directly to the smart space, and also the smart space is including a number of sensors all around it in order to also monitor what's going on. So there can be camera, and there can be also another product which is also very important, which is the millimeter-wave radar. The millimeter-wave radar is going to be able to pinpoint exactly where the people are located, and also to count the number of people, which are important, very important information when you are on the manufacturing floor, where there can be, dangers and stuff like that. So Georgine has been also investing in this type of technology, especially, as I mentioned, in these millimeter-wave radars. So we have products available which are able to perform all these functions and work together with the smart glass into a smart space center. Okay, that's about what I wanted to tell you about the gReality family of smart glasses. If you want to get more information, you can get on our website www.georgine.com, and you can contact us, and we'll be very happy to work with you on your projects. Thank you, and bye.